Hello and welcome to E-Prime, I'm Deidran. Scorch Music, promoters of the heavily billed Guinea's Fully Loaded Music Festival in Trinidad over the weekend, has released a public statement to respond to allegations by veteran DJ Bounty Killer that he was not paid to perform with Beenie Man as reasons for walking off the event's stage on Saturday night. Scorch Music in a statement says, quote, "In the circumstances, Scorch Limited rejects the suggestion that it did not meet its financial commitment to the artist, as is being alleged in various social media outlets, presumably by the artist himself. Scorch Limited further calls upon the artist to explain in the public domain how he was unaware of the terms of the engagement involved in his requirement to perform with the other Jamaican artist with whom he shared a top billing, since this was an express term of the contract presented by his management company." E-Prime was given a copy of the contract between Scorch Music and Solid Agency, which confirms the contract as a collaborative performance with Beenie Man. Trinidad media reports that Bounty Killer, who was at first doing a tune-for-tune segment with Beenie Man, suddenly walked off the stage and then left the venue entirely. The Cross Angry DJ later posted, quote, "Let me state this clearly. The promoters of Guinea's Fully Loaded never booked me to perform along with Beenie Man. They booked me and Beenie Man as solo acts and think it's how it works as both artists are on the show that they're gonna work together? Nope." End quote. E-Prime has since contacted Solid Agency for a comment, but at news time got no response. The weather has not stopped the start of the inaugural Tomorrow Today season, set to begin tomorrow along Jamaica's famous 7 Mile beach in Negril. The week-long Culture Fest offers soul-enriching wellness, fitness, gastronomy, conscious music, and natural healings. Assistant Manager at Red Stripe, Michelle Cunningham, shares more on the event.
So this is a different festival where they're bringing people from abroad, DJs, they're joining yoga, they're having food, and of course they're having Red Stripe Bear. It's special because it's gonna be held on the 7 Mile beach in Negril, the wonderful picturesque Negril that everybody loves. We're gonna go to different locations, Boardwalk, Villa Sommer, Chance's Beach, where we'll have the locations where you will sign up and register for your armbands. So it's a beautiful escape in Jamaica with great music, great bear, and great entertainment.
The event, the first of its kind in Jamaica, also features US celebrity health and beauty expert David Wolf.
So you need to come out to Tomorrow Today because it's an awesome music festival, a culture festival. You're gonna learn about not only music, food, and wellness. And of course, you have to come out to the Red Stripe Reggae Revival concert, which is on Saturday, May 20, and it's gonna be just great. It's gonna have Protege and the Indignation Band, as well as Savannah and Runkus, so you can't miss it. Tickets are available at tomorrow.eventbrite.com, or you can go to Stellaris, La Susan, or Manor Park, or the Negril Center on the 7 Mile beach to get your tickets.
And that's it for E-Prime. I'm Deidran. Keep safe.